Mastering test taking. How to eliminate incorrect options. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. Today we're diving into a very specific but important topic: eliminating incorrect options when taking multiple choice tests. This is a technique that can save you time and boost your scores, so stay tuned. Before we get into the technique, let's understand why answering strategies are so important. Multiple choice questions can be tricky. Sometimes the options look similar, or the question itself might be confusing. Having a strategy in place allows you to approach these questions with more confidence. And confidence, my friends, is half the battle won. So, what exactly do we mean by eliminating incorrect options? Simple. It's a process of narrowing down your choices by immediately ruling out the answers that are obviously incorrect. The aim is to reduce the number of choices you have, making it easier to pick the correct one. Here's how you do it, step by step. Step 1. Read the question carefully. The first step is always to read the question carefully. You need to understand what is being asked before you can identify incorrect answers. Step 2. First impressions. Next, glance at all the options and see if any jump out at you as being obviously wrong. These can usually be eliminated right away. Step 3. Cross out. Physically cross out the options you think are incorrect. If you can't write on the test, do this mentally. Step 4. Reread the question. Now that you've eliminated some choices, reread the question to ensure that the remaining options are actually plausible answers. Step 5. Make an educated guess. If you still have more than one option, use your knowledge and intuition to make an educated guess. The fewer the choices, the better your odds. The key to mastering this technique is practice. Try using it while solving previous year's question papers or while taking practice tests. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. Be cautious, though. Sometimes your gut instinct might push you towards a wrong answer. Always double-check and make sure you've read the question correctly. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips on eliminating incorrect options will be helpful in your future tests. Remember, smart strategies often make the difference between a good score and a great one. So, keep practicing and good luck. See you in the next video.